What's going on, everybody? Today, or tonight actually, we're at a 916 Cash Days race. 39 cars total, so the pot is just under $1,600 to the winner. It's a $40 buy-in per car. You can race multiple cars. There's a buy back in case you lose in the first or second round, and then the buy back goes to the runner-up of the event in total. They're gonna get started here. They just did the driver's meeting. Got a few minutes. They're gonna draw chips and then line up for round one. This road is a lot nicer than the road we were on last weekend in Antioch. This one here is in Roseville, California, and nice wide open road. They've got a pro tree, but they're doing instant green, so there's no reaction time, stuff like that. It's just instant green. The guys will take off.
Right now we're looking at $1,560 for the winner. Buyback round that we're going to happen on first round. The buy money will be used for runner-up. $20. We're going to do a buyback after round one. The losers of the first round can race back to get back in. The winners will be able to get back in for round two. Then we'll have round two, and again we'll have another buyback for those. Obviously, it's only going to be half the people that will be able to get back in, so you get 2 more hits if you're able to win. We're going to have a 15-minute break in between each round to draw chips. So there's not going to be a ladder format. You're going to draw chips for each person. The red chips will be getting right lane. White chips will be getting left lane. I think so. Yes. You roll it back.
So they're much more bands.
Much more?
Yeah, that's a GT Power box. Yeah. Because Much More is the only company that makes long belts, because they're actually for 8-scale racing. Gotcha. So the tires are big.
Right lane.
My God, that was awesome. Good job, bud. Good job, bud. You guys see that? Way to live up to never live.
So it's got an XR10 Pro, Gen 2, put 10 gauge on it, soldered a Hobbywing 4-cap cap pack on it. It's got a custom sway bar I built along with a stock Hobbywing 4.5, how you find them out of the box. It's got a JPH racing chassis on it, so I work at our local hobby shop in the town, and we designed and built this chassis. Pro line scalar, 90 mil shocks in the front, Pro line short course truck power strokes in the back, stock length to a rear. Shocks are moved in, and she hauls balls, man.
Good job, Johnny.
Ooh, broken!
Sweet juice.
2.
Or number 1.
Starting the 5th round now, 5 racers left.
This one's actually Bill's car. This runs the black Corvette body. This one's got an RSX Pro Black with a Trinity Monster 4-turn drag motor, tuned by a guy named Putnam. Running SMC batteries on, this is actually an extreme chassis. Pretty much bone stock shocks and the same Proline Power Stroke shocks in the rear.